Hi guys, Namgelegile, Gamalam Guletisha, my surname is Galashe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video that I'll be posting. If it is your first time watching this channel, thank you very much for stopping by and watching. If it is not your first time you've watched my previous video, Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to assemble a ring light onto a tripod. And I know that most ring lights or tripods do not come with an instruction manual or a how to assemble document or anything like that. But you know, so I was like, bring it here. I saw a tripod. I was Alright, so I got it and knew how to put it together. So this is why I'm making this video, to share with someone else that might be having difficulties on how to assemble it or put it together. And the tripod I'm talking about is the one we're using right now. It is good. Okay, so this is not a review about the tripod, so I'm not going to tell you guys about the tripod. All you got to do is stay tuned and watch how I put it together so that ime uzofota ufumane light bemhle beqaf funny now. Okay, also, so please do like this video. If it is helpful, do comment and say, was it helpful or was it not helpful? But most importantly, do not forget to subscribe so that you can continue watching my videos. So with these, you gotta twist them to open up so that you can move it around. Lock it again so that it doesn't move. Same with these ones. Unlock it, twist it so that you can pull it out. Do you get? So pull it out as far as it can go. Okay, cool. So let's just open this up. Lock it. Let me just move this. Okay. And we open up here so that is as far or as high as it can go. Okay. We lock it, twist it, lock it. Voila. Next up is these. Twist it until it is tight. Okay, so from this part we gotta hook this part onto here. Okay, let's do this. So gotta be careful this is to tighten this. Okay, this is to tighten this part. Okay, so do not twist this. Be careful, if you twist this, this will fall off. Okay, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Okay, there we go. There's your ring light. Okay, great. So we've assembled the ring light onto the tripod. All right. Okay, that part is done. So that is great. Now let's get to the part that I'm sure confuses a lot of people. Okay, and I was one of those people. I was like, what's happening here, and how do I get this? I knew it has to go in somewhere, Mara, I wasn't sure, and I was like, yeah. So I was so close to calling customer service and be like, you guys forgot something. There's something that's missing. Gandhi, there's absolutely nothing missing. So the trick with this is that this has to go in here, and as you'll see, it doesn't go in easily. It doesn't go in. You know, but at first I was like, oh, Zayopula, you know, and all you gotta do, pressure, put it, you see, voila, there it goes. Also make sure this goes in as well, and then you twist it and you secure it. There you have it. And then from there, twist this in here. Ta-da! You bend it. Okay, where is my other phone? Okay. So that is in. See? Secured. And put your phone in there. But you just gotta secure it. I'm sure you guys, one thing I'm not really happy about is this. Like, I have to plug it into my TV or into a laptop, but I'm also wondering if I plug it into a power bank, will it work? I don't know. I have to test it out and see. And ohlulwa ntomosi mna.